Hi and welcome to Wild Nature. It's lovely to see you again. My name's Justine and this is Noelle, and today we're going to talk to you about how you can get the most out of your Wild Nature repair oil. We used to actually call this our body and massage and repair oil. The aromatherapy grade oils that we use in our repair oil is ylang ylang, French lavender and chamomile. These oils are so evocative and such stimulus for your body, and they're in there for very good purpose. When our skin is challenged, whether it be from eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, rosacea, whether it be when we're going through pregnancy or as a teenager when our body is changing, if we don't hydrate our skin and provide deeper elasticity, we get tearing, and that's what stretch marks are. Now I'm actually going to apply this to Noelle's arm because I want you to see, perhaps if you can, how far it spreads. Again, I warm it in my skin, in my hands, and just spread beautifully. The best time to apply this is after your shower or bath, because that's when, again, your whole body is open. Your pores are open, you're able to receive firstly an exfoliation or a cleanse, and then your repair oil if you're using it on your body. So the repair oil is something that you can use literally all over the body from top to toe, and you'll notice that it doesn't leave any heavy residue. The repair oil is one of the best treatments that you can use to put the hydration back into the skin when the skin is very dehydrated, but also to address the damage of the skin. You shouldn't scratch, you shouldn't pick, but we're human. So if you do, you need to reach for something that's going to repair your skin, and that's what the repair oil does beautifully.